In this video, we're going to show you how to use Salesforce, one of the most powerful tools for managing your customer relationships and automating your business processes. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just looking to streamline your experience, this quick explanation will walk you through the basics and set you up for success. First off, let's start with logging in and navigating the dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the home page, which gives you an overview of everything going on in your Salesforce account. From here, you can access all your apps, see recent activities, and dive into your contacts, opportunities, and cases. The layout is designed to give you quick access to what's important. Next thing, Salesforce has something called objects, which is essentially where all your data lives. These are divided into different categories like leads, accounts, contacts, and opportunities. Leads represent potential customers. Accounts are the companies or organizations you're working with. Contacts are the people within those accounts, and opportunities represent potential sales or deals. Each object allows you to track and manage interactions and progress with your clients. The fourth thing you should know about is records within those objects. When you click into any object, you'll see individual records. Each record contains all the details about that particular customer or deal. You can customize each record to track specific details that are most important for your business, like adding custom fields or attaching files relevant to that record. Now, let's talk about automation. Salesforce is packed with tools that allow you to automate a lot of your daily tasks. With features like Workflow Rules, Process Builder, and Flow, you can set up automations to trigger actions based on certain events, like sending an email when a deal is closed or updating a field when a task is completed. This helps you save time and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. The sixth thing you need to explore is reports and dashboards. Salesforce makes it easy to track your business performance through reports that are fully customizable. You can pull data based on any metric you want, whether that's sales figures, customer satisfaction, or even team performance. Dashboards then give you a visual representation of that data, which helps you make informed decisions faster. The seventh thing you should know is how to manage your team's tasks and assignments. Salesforce allows you to assign tasks to different team members, track their progress, and ensure everyone is on the same page. This feature is perfect for ensuring accountability and keeping your team focused on what matters. As you get more comfortable, you can start integrating Salesforce with other tools you already use. Salesforce has a huge marketplace of apps available on the App Exchange. These integrations allow you to sync your data across platforms, which can save you a ton of time and make your processes more efficient. Before you go, here's something special. If you're curious about getting started with Salesforce, you can actually use it for free right now. Just click the first link in the description below for an exclusive extended trial with some great bonuses to help you kick off your Salesforce journey. In conclusion, Salesforce is an incredibly powerful platform, but with the right understanding of its core features, objects, records, automation, reports, and task management, you can maximize its potential and drive success for your business. And don't forget, by using the link below, you'll get access to Salesforce for free with some added bonuses to help you along the way.